Tonight, we have a story of struggle and celebration for a Valley cancer patient.
Doctors and nurses treated her to a one-of-a-kind wedding, and Jason Berry has more on her big day.
1 minute you're coming in for a blood transfusion, the next you're saying I do to the man of your dreams. Cancer patient Samantha Preston just got married at the Banner Thunderbird Medical Center, thanks to some devoted healthcare providers who became wedding planners.
They just completely went all out, with the decorations, and they had it all planned where they would cover up my pole, hiding the transfusion going on. And it was just so magical.
The 22-year-old had been coming here for more than a year receiving treatment for bone cancer when recently a staff member noticed Samantha was wearing an engagement ring. The medical team knew with the current health crisis there was no way Samantha could have a big wedding, so they offered to have one right there in the hospital.
I said, well, you're coming in for a long day of transfusions on Friday. Why don't you let us throw the wedding here at the clinic? And she kind of got a sparkle in her eye and she said, really?
Staff members had 3 days to plan and decorate. They ordered flowers, a cake, even brought in apple cider. Samantha's fiancé Angel and their young son Odin were all for it.
If they wouldn't have done what they did, I would have just went out for dinner, after getting the papers from the courthouse.
When the big day arrived, Samantha was treated like a queen, with her dress laid out and a makeup artist brought in to doll the bride up. A professional photographer even donated pictures. She even got to walk down the aisle. And even though Samantha was wearing a mask, you could sense her smile bursting through. Her son Odin was cheering the whole way.
Having that day for her to make her feel beautiful, to give her the chance to have quote unquote some normalcy really goes a long way.
Always stay positive no matter what situation or obstacles you have. Positivity gets us through the hardest things. It really does.
Jason Berry for Arizona's Family.